So you just got served. Now what? The first thing you want to make sure that you do is read your documents thoroughly and read them a few times just to make sure that you know exactly what's going on, what you're being sued for, and what you need to do next, which is more than likely going to be file a response to the documents that you were served with in a timely fashion. Now, what do I mean by in a timely fashion? The answer will depend on the jurisdiction that your case is being held in and where you will need to file your response. So, whatever it is, you will need to make sure that you do some research in order to determine what you need to file in response to the documents that were served and when you need to have them filed by. Do not ever intentionally not file a response, because 9 times out of 10, if someone files an action against you, you have the right to file a response, tell your side of the story, and defend yourself and protect your interests. Now, in some states, it is required that when you are served with documents that you are also provided with the documents that you are to use to submit your response. So check the package that you were served with to see if there are any blank response forms or documents contained therein. Additionally, on the summons that was or should be included with the papers you were served with, you might be able to find the deadline that you have to get your response filed. But if not, you're going to have to take the extra step to find out the exact time of the deadlines that you have to respond. And how many days you have to respond will be important when you're doing your research. How you have to serve your documents, your response documents, will be important. Do you have to serve them by mail? Can you serve them by email? Do you have to have them personally served? Does it have to be done by a process server or a sheriff? What exactly are the rules in relation to serving your response documents is something you're going to want to look up. And all of these things might be important to your case. So with that said, it will always be my advice that if you were served, when you were served, you consult with an attorney rather than just try to figure this out on your own. But if for one reason or another you're not able to do so, then you're going to want to look it up yourself and figure out what the rules are. Go to a self-help center, things of that nature. Don't ever just take advice from some random lawyer on the internet.